Assalamualaikum students, I am your physics teacher Guru Shadabi. Today we will discuss about the topic that is electroscope and chapter number 13, electrostatics. Before this, just have a recap. We have discussed about the production of charges and then about that of the electrostatic induction. Similarly, here the electrostatic induction is meanwhile you can see the process of electrostatic induction here with the nature of its uses. First of all, electroscope is a device. As I told you, whenever any device you have to explain, you have to explain it about its definition. First of all, its definition, then its construction. And the third step is its working. Is it clear? And meanwhile, its principle, working principle and construction will also be included. Is it clear? Now, first of all, what is the definition of electrostatics? Sorry, electroscope. Electroscope is basically a device which is used for the detection of charges. It is a device used for detecting the charges. Is it clear? So, electroscope is a device that is used to detect charges. Meanwhile, on that of the object, on that of any body. Is it clear? Now, what is about its construction? Working principle is the same, that is of electrostatic induction. इसमें some more electrostatic induction ही होती है, ठीक है? Now, about the construction, here the structure of the electroscope is in front of you. This circular disc is called brass disc. Brass is a material combination of two metals, that is called brass. So, this material is made up of brass and called brass disc. The two rods are connected with these are the brass. These rods are also called brass rods. Is it clear? Means to say this is a you can say that metal or transfer the charges to move the charges from these brass discs towards that of the brass rods. Is it clear? Now this is side part. This is insulator. Why this insulator is used? Because of this glass jar. This is a glass jar inside which whole structure is you can say that indulged. This is a glass jar. Is it clear? This one. Now here the depth of the insulator material. Insulator material is why we use here because we want when charges are moving from this disc to that of the brass rods, they will not diverge in any other direction, or you can say that they will never be destroyed. So that's why they will follow this path only. आपके चार्जेस सेपरेट ना हो, इसको क्या करते हैं अवॉइड करने के लिए आपके पास होता है यहाँ पे इंसुलेटर यूज होते हैं both sides of the brass rods. Now here at the bottom point, these are two leaves. Leaves are you can say that two papers like this structure. ठीक है? These are of gold leaves. Is it clear? These are called gold files. Gold material से बने होते हैं आपके पास मेटल से क्या होते हैं gold leaves कहलाते हैं. ठीक है? That's why the final stage, that is aluminium foil. Aluminium foil is connected with that of the ground. Now what is ground and what is aluminium foil? Aluminium foil is basically used whenever there is excess of charges moving towards this rod and then these of the leaves. These charges are you can say that absorbed by this of the aluminium foil. Is it clear? And if there is excess of charges and you want to remove these charges from that of the whole structure or whole of the electroscope, so these aluminium foil is connected with the ground. Ground means earth. Earth means that कि आपके पास जो excess of charges हैं उनको आप क्या कर देते हो वहाँ से remove कर देते हो. remove करने का तरीका क्या होता है? जैसे आपके पास वायर्स इन घरों में यूज होती है ना, लाइव वायर होती है, एक आपके पास न्यूट्रल वायर होती है, थर्मल होती है, अर्थ वायर. वो अर्थ वायर जैसे क्या होती है और सेफ्टी में यूज होती है. आप एक्सेस चार्जेस को वहाँ से क्या करते हैं वो अर्थ वायर सेफ्टी क्या करता है रिमूव आउट कर देता है. सिमिलरली है गोल्ड ग्राउंड इज यूज्ड दैट फॉर पर्पस कि आपके पास एक्सेस ऑफ चार्जेस कैन बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप. दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ देयर फंक्शनिंग. Is it clear? This is the whole construction of the that is of electroscope. Now its working as well as uses. Both will be the same. Is it clear? Now what is its working and what is its uses? Its working and uses are also you can say that differentiate or separated or explain in a separate headings. Okay? हम उसकी separate headings के according explain करते हैं. First of all, the first use is detecting. You can say that the presence of charge. First can to detect the presence of charge. It means the body is charged or not. It can be detected by using the electroscope. Is it clear, beta? First of all, this is the electroscope. मैं सिंपल इसको रख लेती हूँ आपके पास ये जो इसके जिस कंस्ट्रक्शन जिसके whenever you explain the uses, there is no need to construct the diagram with labeling. You just construct the diagram in simple way. Is it clear? There is no need of labeling. But when you explain the construction, there should be the labeling. Is it clear? Label diagram should be mentioned. Then in this case, label is not required. Okay. Now, what is happening here? Initially, this electroscope, this brass disc is neutral. Is it clear? Now, if I bring any body near this or any rod near this brass disc, how I can justify this rod is charged or not uncharged? Means to say, basically this uses to detect the presence of charge now. So how we detect? Bring this body that we have to detect, that is the testing body, you can say that, near this neutral rod. Whenever this neutral rod is present, you have discussed in that of the electrostatic induction. Whenever neutral body is present, if charged body is bringing near that of the neutral body, it will affect the neutral body. But if neutral body is present here and a neutral body is bringing near that of the first one body that is also neutral, there will be no change occur on those of the body. Is it clear? That is in the electrostatic induction. But if this neutral body is bringing there will be no change occur here in this of the electroscope. You will observe no change. So you can justify the body bringing near the electroscope, your body under the testing that is uncharged. Is it clear? And suppose it is charged. Now charge may be negative, charge may be positive. It depends whatever the condition is. If it was negative, then what will happen? This neutral disc can take positive charges by the attraction on that of the disc and it will repel negative charges towards this direction. Is it clear? Why repel? By electrostatic induction. Because charge by bringing the near the neutral body, it will attract the opposite charges towards itself and repel the same charges towards the downward direction. Like charges repel and unlike charges will be attracted. So negative charges will move along this direction, coming towards the leaf. And when these leaves both have negative charges, it will diverge. Is it clear? It means whenever the charge body, suppose it will be positive, then what will happen? Here will be negative charges creation and positive charges will repel towards this direction and leaves will divert but with the positive charge. Both the stations, whatever here is the positive rod, here is the negative rod. ठीक है? यहाँ पे क्या होगा बेटा? ये leaves क्या करेंगे? Diverge करेंगे. There will be some change behavior shown when the charged body is bringing near the electroscope, which shows that the body which is near the electroscope under testing, that will be a charged body. Is it clear? Here, charged body is present near the electroscope, which is shown by the divergence of the gold leaves. Is it clear, beta? This is the first use or working of the electroscope. Now, the second use is we can charge this electroscope. First of all, we use in the first application when we bring near this charged body near the electroscope was uncharged, neutral condition. We can charge that electroscope Here is your structure. This one. Now the second application or uses is charging the electroscope by electrostatic induction. That is charging the electroscope by electrostatic induction. Electrostatic induction. You have already discussed that कि इसके ऊपर जो चार्ज बॉडी आती है वो सारी ये जो इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप अभी हमने चार्ज किया इसको by using the electrostatic induction principle. ठीक है बेटा? Now, if I want to charge this electroscope, what will I do? Simple is that I can charge it positive condition and charge it in a negative condition. Means to say, इसको electroscope को हम positively भी charge कर सकते हैं, negatively charge कर सकते हैं, depending upon the rod which is bringing near that of the electroscope, as I discussed earlier. Is it clear? Now, if I want this electroscope to be a positively charged, what will I do? I will do nothing, just bring a negative charge body near that of the object. Is it clear? When I bring negatively charged particle or negative charged body rod near the that of the electroscope, neutral electroscope, what will happen? It will attract the positive charges of the neutral electroscope this towards the surface of the disc, and negative charges will repel towards this direction. Is it clear? Now, if I remove this rod away, it will again happen that negative charges rearrange, positive charges will rearrange, it will become again neutral as that of the electrostatic induction. Now, I want this charge body will remain same. Means to say electroscope will be permanently charged. I want to do this. This is the application. Is it clear? Now, what will I do? These negative charges, I will move these negative charges towards the aluminium foil. Is it clear? By using that of the aluminium foil, which was placed here, which we have no used earlier, now we use it. These negative charges are moved towards the aluminium and then ground. Means to say they are separating from separate the negative charges. Negative charges को मैंने aluminium से ground करके क्या कर दिया, यहाँ से remove कर दिया. Now there are no negative charges further. Is it clear now? Now if I remove this you can say that charge body away from the electroscope. मैंने इसको away move किया. Now these positive charges will rearrange themselves. Positive charges will be spread on all of this rod and leaves and everywhere. But there will be no negative charge. Negative charges will be removed by use of the ground system. Then whole electroscope will have a positive charge overall the system. Is it clear? That's how we are charging the electroscope by using electrostatic induction. Is it clear? I can make it as a negative. How I can make it negative? By bringing positive charge near that of the electroscope. Then negative charges will be separated here and positive charges will be move towards that of the leaves. Then I will remove these negative charges of the aluminium ground and then I will remove this rod away. Then whole system will have a negative charge. This is all about charging the electroscope by electrostatic induction. Is it clear? Now the third application of electroscope is detecting the type of charge. Detecting the type of charge. For detecting the type of charge, you first have to charge this electroscope. As the second step, we have charged this electroscope positively. Now I can detect the charges that is of depending upon the object. तो आपके पास कौन सी बॉडी आपके पास इसके करीब जो आ रही है वो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है या नेगेटिव. In the first application, you just detect the body is charged or not. But in the third application, by using the second, you can detect the type of the charge. कि ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर बॉडी के ऊपर कौन सा चार्ज है जो आप इसके करीब for this application, you should follow the second application first, charge the electroscope, then you can generalize the third application, third use. Is it clear today? Now, suppose I have charged this electroscope positively. Now I can detect the object bringing near this charged electroscope whether it is positively charged or negatively charged. Is it clear, beta? If I bring a negative charge, if I bring a body near this rod, that is electroscope and that is positively charged. Now look at the leaves. ये लीव्स हमें बताएंगे कि ये बॉडी कौन सी है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज के करीब आई है, नेगेटिव आई है. ये तो ऑलरेडी पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है ना. नाउ if these leaves show contraction, converge करेंगे, then what will happen? It means the number of charges here they will reduced. जब ये कम होंगे तो इनकी अट्रैक्शन बढ़ती जाएगी ना. ठीक है, जितनी ये स्ट्रॉन्ग होते जाएंगे पॉजिटिव चार्ज, उतनी इनकी डाइवर्जेंस बढ़ती जाएगी. जितनी इनकी स्ट्रॉन्गनेस कम होती जाएगी इतना ये दूसरी तरफ क्या करेंगे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते जाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर? इफ दे कन्वर्ज, it means positive charges are moving towards the disk, and under what condition they will move towards this direction? When they you can say that when they offer some attraction. And how they will offer some attraction? When there will be a negative charge, that's how they will offer the attraction. No? So you can say that if the leaves converge, then the body near the electroscope will be negatively charged. Under the condition the electroscope is positively charged. Must mention here. ठीक है? अगर ये negatively charged होगी तो इसकी opposite condition होगी. Now, if these leaves diverge means number of positive charges were increased. Why they increased? They offer repulsion from this surface and move towards this. Obviously, now how they will offer repulsion? When a positive charge rod bring near that of the positively charged electroscope. That's how the divergence shows that the body near the positively charged electroscope is positively charged. Is it clear? That's how you detect the type of the charge on the body that is under testing. Is it clear? And suppose this whole system is of negative charge. इस electroscope आपके पास negatively charge हो सकती है. अगर ये negatively charge होगी तो वही behavior होगा जो positive के लिए था वो negative के लिए होगा, जो negative के लिए था वो positive के लिए. Vice versa हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Is it clear बेटा? This is all about detecting of the charge, type of the charge. Is it clear? Now the last application is, that is the fourth application I use for working, identifying the conductor and insulators. Identifying the insulators and conductors. It's so simple. If a body near the electroscope that is insulated, obviously it has no charge behavior along this, it will show no change. Rather than it's positively charged, but it will show no change in that of the leaves because it's insulator having no excess of charges, so show no behavior on that of the electroscope. Their leaves show no behavior. Is it clear? And if it is insulator, conductor means there is charges electrons on that of the electroscope, and that is obviously it will attract it towards that of the positive charge electroscope, and it will change the behavior of the leaves. Leaves will change its direction. That's how you can say that the conductor is coming near that of the electroscope that is under testing. So that's how you can identify the body, whether it is a conductor or insulator that is near that of the electroscope. These are the four applications, and then the four applications we have discussed about that of the definition of the electroscope, then construction of the electroscope,